Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create product feeds for Google Ads on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you of course haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have the home, we have the orders, products, fulfillment, analytics, marketing, sales. We have the contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create product feeds for Google Ads on ShopBase. So first of all, go to the ShopBase admin. So log into your ShopBase admin panel and navigate to the product feeds. So go to the product and then go to product feeds, which is here on the left side of the screen. And here you have product feeds. Then add a new product feed. Click on that on the top right corner. Then choose Google Ads as the sales channel where you want to submit your product feed data. Fill the required details such as product ID, name, description, price, image, URL, and any other relevant information. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Generate Feed to create your product feed. Go to your Google Merchant Center account, navigate to products, and upload CSV file you downloaded from ShopBase. Then click that all the products have been correctly uploaded to your Google Merchant Center account, so you can of course go and verify that upload. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.